Today is Monday, February 28th. This is the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Trumpet Horn. This is the 926 metal variant with the metal tube. Okay, and this is a functional validation test for my friend Stefan in Los Gatos, California. And I'll go ahead and apply it to power. Okay, and that is the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Trumpet Horn going to Stefan in California. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage items from 1967 to 1970 Cadillac. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, February 28th. Thank you very kindly.